Now the next function that we want to check is split. The next function we want to check is split. Okay, let us say I have a string. What does the name split means? To separate, right? To separate. Its statement is equal to I have a statement like this. Now, how many strings are here? How many strings are here? There is only one string, right? It is only one string. Now, I want to split the string. I want to split this string. I want to separate out this string. When I want to separate out, let us say this is a stick. Okay, this is a stick. I want to separate the stick. I want to split the stick. How can I do that?
We have to break it out.
You have to break. When you want to break, you should know where you want to break. You have to select a point to break, right? Let us say I want to break it at this position. Okay, then using which I will try to break at this position. Now, the moment I have broken this, there are two pieces. Yes, so your one stick has become two sticks, right? In the same way, I want to split my string. Now what I will choose is I will split my string. If I have to split it, I have to choose a position to split. Just like here, I want to choose on what I want to split the string with. So we can give a substring based on which it will split the string, based on which it will split the string. So the moment it is splitting, right after splitting, so you will have more than one value. You will have more than one value. But how many variables do you have here? You have one variable, but right after the split, you have more than one variable. Right? Are you guys clear?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
right now, if we have to split, I should choose on what substring I want to split it with. Now, to start with, I want to split the string by space. I want to split this string by space. So meaning wherever I see space, I'm going to cut that string. I am going to separate that string. So how many places do we have a space here? I have space here. I have space here. I have space here. So if I split the string by space, how many strings will it become?
Four.
Right. Basically, I'm splitting my string here. Right. I'm splitting my string here. I'm splitting my string here. So your string became one string became four strings. One string became four strings. But what do we have here? One variable, but four values. One variable, but four values. But technically what happens? One variable can store only one value, but here I'm getting four values. So one variable cannot store it. So that is when Python, what it does is it will create one container, which is our list, It will create one container. That container, it will put all these strings into one container. That is I followed by am followed by from followed by Delhi. right? So this one string is split into 4 strings. Now, since a variable cannot store 4 strings in a single variable, so Python, what it does is it will put them all into one container called list, right, as element in it. Now, this entire list is assigned to one variable. Now, statement split is equal to stmt dot split function, and I have to give my substring on what I am going to split it with. So here I am giving it split it with space, right? The moment I have split it with space, this has been split into 4 strings, right? And 4 strings are put into a list, and your split function returns that list. So you will eventually see this as a output. You will eventually see this as a output. Am I clear? Splits the string by a given substring and returns a list and returns a list. We'll look at one example. Split by space I am doing. And if you see now that single string is split into multiple strings and it is returned a list. It has returned a list of strings, list of strings. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what I'll try to do, you have to tell me the output. Split the string by A, B, C. Okay. Now, I'll first we'll look at a positive case. I want to split the string using another substring called from. Now, tell me what would be the output. So, what I'm doing here is now I'm going to split the string by from. If I split the string using this substring called from, how many strings will I make from this? If I'm splitting, okay, I'll start here, I will stop here. Then after from, I'll start here, I'll end here. So this is first string, this is second string. It will split the string by 2 parts. It will split the string by 2 parts, where the first part would be I am, and then there is space. And the second part would be space, and there is something called. Am I clear? This got split. The single string got split by another substring called from. Am I clear? Now you have to tell me the output for what I'm going to write here. Print x dot split by Delhi. Print x dot split by in. Print x dot split by comma. Print x dot split by space. Tell me the output. The first case saying split by Delhi. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now what will I do? Wherever I find Delhi, I am going to split my string from there. So if I split the string by Delhi, so now what will, how many strings will it become? So until it finds Delhi, it is one string, done, one. Now I found Delhi, I'm going to split it here and I'm end with Delhi. I'm going to split the string here, this portion, two. And again I found Delhi and I'm going till the end of the substring and so this is another string. So this has split into three strings. I am in space, done. Second string is comma, then there is space. Then third string is space is in India. So this is one less. Zero, one, two. These are the index values. Okay. Is this clear? Clear, not clear? You
Clear.
have to.
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now tell me the output for the second option. This is done. This is the second one. Wherever I found in, I'm going to split it. I have it here. I have it here. Right? So I start from my string until I find in, I'm going to split. So this is the first position. After in, again until I find in, I am going to split this string. So here I found it. This is my substring. And after in again, I am going to split my string. So here also it became three strings. The same string is broken into three, which is I am, and then there is some space, done. Then Delhi, comma, Delhi is, and then there is some space, comma, and then the last value is some space, and so this is again got split into multiple strings. Right? 0, 1, and 2. Now tell me, the last option is split by, comma, split by, comma. We have only one comma. Where is it? Here. So if I split the string by comma, so how many strings will I be left with?
Two strings.
Two.
We'll be left with two strings. The last one.
Error.
The last one. Why error? Split by
Seven
space.
strings.
Split by space. Wherever I have space, I'm going to split my string there. Wherever I have space, I'm going to split my string there. So this is the first, the second, third, fourth, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Totally, this got split into 8 strings. This got split into 8 strings. It will be list of I am in Delhi, comma Delhi is in and India. So that would be the string. Okay. Now what if I do print x dot split by. Now first it has to find Bangalore is present in the string or not. Is Bangalore present in the string?
No.
No.
No. Then what should happen? Bangalore is not found in that string. Then what should happen?
Error will be thrown.
Okay, let us see. Split by from, yes, you get certain output. Fine. A dot split by ABC. ABC is not there in that string called I am from Anantapur. So what happens? If it doesn't find the substring to be split, then it will put the entire. See, the object is that split function returns list. Split function returns list. If it finds that substring, it will split that string using that substring and creates many strings. If it doesn't find a matching string, it returns the same string as is, but it will have only one element. It will have only one element. It is the same string. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.